Right, so the Sawah Hotel Room 302 and 303. They're right next to each other, so they're easy to find. What we need to do is come across to the Sawah village in the extreme southwest of the map over here. In D7, you'll see a circle that looks like this. To the east of the circle is a apartment complex. This is where we need to get into for both of these rooms. Do note that this area is usually well guarded, so do come prepared or bring a friend. It's labeled hotel, nice and difficult to miss, and we'll need to pick one of the entrances where we'll simply need to find a staircase. In the back center here, there's a staircase going up, and once more, then a final time, you'll see the two doors here, both 302 and 303, right at almost the top center of this here. It's really simple to get to, so thank you all for watching. My name's been Techno Behavior Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.